Around 100 golfers across the country participated in the first El Presidente Cup by the Ramon Fernandez Sports and Youth Development Foundation last Sunday, June 11, 2023, at the Liloan Golf and Leisure Estates. The foundation, founded by PBA legend and former Philippine Sports Commissioner Ramon El Presidente Fernandez, aims to raise funds for sports advocacy programs to train the country's young aspiring athletes. Fernandez fellow PBA stars also showed their support for the charity tournament, such as Jojo Lastimosa and Tonichi Ituri, and it was also graced by PSC Commissioner Fritz Gaston.
And I'm glad we had several participants coming from even as far as Bukidnon, no? And even Bulacan, and several from Metro Manila, no? And of course from the Visayas area and Cebu. No? So I'm very much satisfied. I'm very much motivated to move on to the second El Presidente Cup next year. No?
Fernandez hopes that aside from being able to raise funds for the foundation, sporting events could also be a vital tool for economic growth in the country.
If you notice, when there are sporting events in the different localities, a lot of people go there. No? Before, it just used to be the participants of whatever tournament there is. But now, there are families go and support their athletes that are going to these events. No? Golf is definitely one sport that is helping sports tourism. No? That's why I think that's also already in the program of the DOT now. No? And if you notice, you talk to golfers that they just came from Baguio, from Manila, from Bacolod, from Iloilo, joining different tournaments. No? As shown here, we have from Bulacan, from Bukidnon, from Metro Manila, from Pasig. You know? So it's really a good program that can help tourism also. No?
This year's Charity Golf Cup is only first of the many activities planned by the foundation, which include a marathon run, basketball cups, and Masters shooting championships.